Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have learnt about the base and index of the indices. Now today we are going to learn about square and cube. Now student, what is the meaning of square? The second power of any number is the square of that number. The second power of any number is the square of that number. See, suppose we'll take this 2 raised to 2. That is 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Means 4 is the square of 2. 4 is the square of 2. Means 2 is the power of 2 is means 2 square. 2 is the power of 2 means 2 square. Suppose we'll take the another example, that is 8 raised to 2. 8 raised to 2, that is 8 multiplied by 8 is equals to 64. 8 raised to 2 means what? 8 square. 8 raised to 2 means what? 8 square. It is the second power of 8. Second power of 8 means 8 square. And what is the square of 8? That is 64. 64 is the square of 8. 64 is the square of 8. Do you get it, student? That the second power of any number is the square of that number. Okay. Now, next one is that the cube. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. For example, we'll take 2 raised to 3. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. What it will come? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. That is 8. Means 8 is the cube of 2. 8 is the cube of 2. 8 is the cube of 2. That is the third power of 2 is the cube of the 2. The third power of the 2 is cube of 2. We'll take the another example, that is suppose 4 raised to 3. Suppose 4 raised to 3. That is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64. That is 64 is the cube of 4. 64 is the cube of 4. That is the third power of 4. The third power of 4. So what is the cube? The third power of any number is the cube of that number. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. Next topic is that multiplication of indices with the same base. Multiplication of indices of the same base will take. See, we'll take one first example, that is 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. Now how it will come, students? 2 raised to 4 means what? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is 2 raised to 4. Okay. Now 2 raised to 3. Again multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is 2 raised to 3. Now how many 2's are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to 7 means what? Therefore 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 3 is equals to 2 raised to 4 plus 3. What we need to do? If the bases are same and if there is a multiplication of indices and the bases are same, the indices should be added. The indices should be added. That is 2 raised to 7. We need to add the indices. When the bases are same, and there is a multiplication between the bases and the indices, what we need to do with the indices? We need to add the indices, that is 2 raised to 7. Okay, we'll take the another example also. Suppose minus 3 raised to 2 multiplied by minus 3 raised to 3. Now students, it is very easy. What we need to do? Minus 3, what I told you, that add the indices. Add the indices. If the bases are same, what we need to do? We need to add the indices, that is minus 3 raised to 5. That is minus 3 raised to 5. Understood? Now if there is a example in fraction form, that is minus 2 upon 5 raised to 2 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5 raised to 3. Now here also student, the same formula we need to use, that is minus 2 upon 5 raised to 2 plus 3 is equals to minus 2 upon 5 raised to 5 raised to 5. I hope student you understood it very well.